Hello, all creative filmmakers. In this video, we will take a look at amazing animation packs that will definitely help you to enhance your video production quality. This is Counters Pro Pack. The Counters Pro is the new pack of 400 plus video templates and Adobe Illustration branding layouts for sport-themed channels, training programs, and coaching, fitness or nutrition, world events, yoga or gym routine, and many more. This pack contains more than 400 plus ready-made compositions for your creative implementation, combined with simple timers, circles, wide countdowns, speed and distance, progress, clocks, statistics, sport counters, and many others. It has a total of 15 categories. The best part is that this pack comes with Easy Edit Viewer, which is an amazing extension that works with both After Effects and Premiere Pro. You can easily buy this pack from the Easy Edit website or Video Hive. I will give the download link in the video description. Let's get started. First of all, we have to download the Easy Edit Viewer extension. That's why, go to the Easy Edit website. Then, from here, we have to click on this Viewer menu. Now, you can download the extension from here, if you use Windows. So, you have to download the Windows version. And, if you use Mac. So, you have to download the Mac version of the extension. And then, you have to install the extension on your PC or Mac. I have already installed this extension on my PC. So, I'm going to jump into the Premiere Pro. Now, we are inside Premiere Pro. Here, you can see, I have already opened the Easy Edit Viewer extension. You can do this from the Windows panel. Extension, and click on Easy Edit Viewer. Now, we have to install the Counters Pro Animation Pack. That's why, browse to the folder where you downloaded the Counters Pro Animation Pack. Then, drag and drop this file into the Easy Edit Viewer extension. Next, you have to input your Video Hive email address. And, you have to input your purchase code. And then, click on Activate. Now, you have to wait a few moments to install the pack. Now, you can see, our Counters Pro Pack is installed. Now, you can see, we have got 15 different categories of the pack on the left side. This pack contains more than 400 plus ready-made compositions for your creative implementation, combined with simple timers, circles, wide countdowns, speed and distance, progress, clocks, statistics, sport counters, and many others. If you put the mouse on the elements, you can see the preview. And, if we click on this arrow icon, you can see the Easy Edit Preview monitor. And, one thing that is amazing about this extension, without opening the complete category, if you put the mouse on the template, and, you can see the animations. Now, I am going to show you how to use and customize the template of this pack in Premiere Pro. First of all, we have to import a template into the timeline. Let's move over to the lower thirds category. And then, simply click on the random template to import in the timeline. Now, you can see the template in the timeline. Now, I am going to zoom the program monitor 50%. Next, we must open the Essential Graphics panel to edit and customize the template. Here, you can see the Text Edit panel, the Main Configs panel, the Timer Configs panel, and the Color Configs panel. First of all, I am going to show you how to edit the text of the template. Here, you can see the Timer Text panel. From here, we can change the timer text. Now, I am going to change the hours text. Also, you can change the text font. And, you can change the text size from here. Then, from here, you can change the text dots. Next, you can change the minutes text from here. Also, you can change the text font. And, you can change the text size from here. After that, you can change the main text from this Text 1 panel. Also, you can change the text font and the size from here. And finally, we can change the date from the text panel too. Also, you can change the text font and the size from here. Now, you can see the changes in the program monitor. Now, I am going to show you how to customize the main config panel of the template. From the main position, you can reposition the full template. And, from the main scale, you can resize the full template. And, from the timer panel, you can resize and reposition the text of the timer. Hours, minutes, and dots. Customize your timer config, as your requirements that you want. This is the amazing option, to customize the timer of the template. From the Text 1 panel, you can resize and reposition the main text. In the same way, you can resize and reposition the second main text. I hope you understand the main configs. Now, I am going to show you how to customize the timer configs. From the Hours panel, you can change the value of hours. And, from the Minutes panel, you can change the value of minutes. And finally, from the Speed section, you can change the speed of the minutes and hours. And lastly, from the Color section, you can change the text color, box start color, and the box end color. In the same way, you can customize all the templates of this Counters animation pack. Let's import another template, and customize the template very easily. Move over to the Sale Banners category. Then, I am going to import this Sale Banners template. Here, you can see, there is a placeholder. It means, we can replace any photo or video in this placeholder. Let's move over to the Essential Graphics panel. From the Text panel, you can easily change all the text, text font, and text size. From the Main Configs panel, you can control the full template. And, from the Timer Configs panel, you can control the time of the template. Then, from the Color Configs panel, you can change all the colors. And, lastly, from the Placeholder panel, you can replace your photo or video. Let's replace a photo. Now, click on this icon, then, click on Replace from Explorer. Then, browse the photo folder. Next, select the photo, and click on Open. Now, you can see the changes in the program monitor. Also, you can customize the photo from here. In the same way, you can customize all the templates of this Counters animation pack in Premiere Pro. If you want to buy this Counters animation pack for your videos, I will give the link in the video description. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like the video and leave a comment.